Welcome to our channel. Please like, share and subscribe. In this video, we are driving in and around Maithan Dam. This dam was specially designed for flood control and generates 60,000 kilowatts of electric power. There is an underground power station, the first of its kind in the whole of Southeast Asia. The dam is constructed on the Barakor River. Let's start our journey. You can skip to 2:59 for the long ride in rain section of the video. When we started our journey there was no forecast of rain. It was a clear blue sky. The Damodar River on which this dam is built is a seasonal river, basically 82% of which is filled up by rainfall in July-September. June 1st to October 31st is the filling period during which rainwater is stored, and the stored rainwater is used for irrigation by the downstream areas of Burdwan, hydroelectric power generation and scores of other activities. Named after Mai-ka-sthan or abode-of-the-mother, from the temple of Kalyaneshwari in its vicinity, it is located 46 kilometers from Dhanbad. Apart from emerging a prominent religious destination, Maithan is also the site of the country's first multipurpose project. We stayed at the beautiful Mukdedhara tourism property run by the West Bengal Tourism Development Corporation Ltd. The view from the lobby and the cottages consists of the reservoir and the islands, while the view from the spacious and well-maintained rooms is magnificent too. Maithan's famed Kalyaneshwari temple is just about a 5-minute drive from the property, while the boating jetty is a few minutes walk. As you can see, it has already started to rain, so we decided to go out for a long drive. Let's hit the roads again. There's something about driving in the rain that just feels good. Maybe it's the sound of the raindrops hitting the windshield, or the way the water beads up on the glass. Whatever it is, there's just something about driving in the rain that feels relaxing and calming. The pitter-patter of falling raindrops plays a symphony in every heart. No wonder, the beautiful season of monsoon impels most travelers to explore adventurous terrains, lush green mountains and destinations that have romance in the air. Rain-kissed pathways, blooming greenery and the smell of wet earth or petrichor makes for a delightful experience. No more talking. Let's enjoy our ride.